In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get voice chat on your Roblox. The very first thing you wanna do is launch your Roblox, then navigate to the More page. Now head over to the option settings. Now you're gonna find the option of account info, click on that. Now here you're gonna find all of your details. Firstly, you will need to type in your phone number and then verify it. Once verified, you should see a gray check mark badge showing your number is confirmed. Next, you must verify your age. Still under account info, check your birthday and age group. Then complete age verification by either using the selfie camera or uploading a valid ID like driver's license. Be careful with the selfie option because if Roblox AI thinks you look younger than your actual age, it may automatically change your birthday and remove voice chat access. After verification, if you are on mobile device, you'll need to enable the microphone. For that, launch settings, go to the option apps, find Roblox and launch it. Now toggle on for the option microphone. Once enabled, fully close Roblox and reopen it. Keep in mind that voice chat is restricted in some regions, so even if your account is verified, it may not be available where you live. Also, not every Roblox game supports voice chat. Before joining a game, scroll down its description and check if it says voice chat supported. In games that support it, you'll see a microphone icon in the top corner. Tap it once to enable voice chat and tap it again to mute. Following all these steps is complete way to unlock and use your voice chat on Roblox mobile. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.